Hey guys, for those who are new to my channel, this is Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make this centerpiece. I really hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. So this is how I made this beautiful centerpiece, perfect for wedding, baby shower, or any event that you have. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free. Don't forget to click the notification bell button so you get notified of new videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.